these two angles here, this one on the left and this one on the right, these are called vertical angles, and they are equal. Vertical angles are equal, so we know that fact. So what we can write then is just that, let's write it here, 3x plus 50 is equal to 6x plus 8. Now let's solve for x. I've got more x's on the right than I do on the left. So I'm going to subtract the 3 x's from each side. So this will give us that 50 is equal to, now, 6 x's minus those 3 x's is 3 x's plus 8. Let's subtract the 8. 50 minus 8 will give us 42 over here, equals 3x, and divide by 3. So we'll get 42 over 3 equals x. X is 14. But now be careful. What we want to do is find the measure of each angle. We're not just looking for x. We need to put x back in here and then in here to get the measures of these angles. So let's do it into the first one. So now let's say that on the left, 3x plus 50, 3 times 14 plus 50, well, that's 42 plus 50. That looks like 92 degrees. And the other one, now these are equal, right? So let's just check this. 6x plus 8, we'll get 6 times 14 plus 8. Now 6 times 14, well, you can do this. 6 times 4 is 24. And then 6 times 1 is 6. Carry that 2. That'll be 84 plus 8, and there's 92. So each angle here, since they're the same, 92 degrees, well, that says each angle, so I'll write that 92 degrees twice. Number 19, find the measure of each one of these angles. We'll look at number 18. You see these angles over here on opposite sides of those intersecting lines? We've got the same thing here. These angles are on opposite sides of intersecting lines, so they're vertical angles, and again, they're equal. So if we set these things equal, we'll have 15x minus 3 equals 11x plus 37. I've got more x's on the left than the right, so I'm going to subtract 11 x's. So 15 x's minus 11 x's is 4x minus 3 equals just 37 over here. Now, let's add 3, then we'll divide by 4. So if I add 3, I'll get 4x equals 40, x equals 10. And now, let's put that 10 back in here, or here. We'll put them into both just to check, because they should be equal. So we can say now that 15x minus 3 is going to be 15 times 10 minus 3. 150 minus 3 is 147 degrees. And if we put it into the top right one, 11x plus 37, that's 11 times 10 plus 37. That's 110 plus 37, 147. So they're both equal, so I think we've got it right. And the measure of each angle, 147 degrees. And because they want 2, I guess I'll write it twice.